But basically what it's saying is that the guru means superiors. So the first guru, the first teacher of any person born, the first guru is the mother. The mother teaches everything, how to walk, how to talk, how to eat, everything. So the Janamata, the Janamata is Adi Guru. She's representing the Paramatma. The Paramatma ultimately instructs from within as a Chaitya Guru, but the first expansion of the Chaitya Guru, the Paramatma within the heart, and the life of the jiva, the human being especially, or even animals also. The Paramatma expands as a mother cat, the big bad cat, the lion, the lioness. And the lioness then instructs her baby cub, lion cub, how to attack, how to fight, how to carry things in their mouth. All these things you can see, even the animals. So Super Soul inspires the representative of the Super Soul, who is Adi Guru, is Mataji. Birds, mother bird teaches the bird how to fly out of the nest, go from branch to branch, and everything. So this is Guru. Guru means teacher, means superior, means elder. Guru Tulya. So, in other words, they're equal. All the superiors, what Lord Chaitanya is saying, Guru Tulya, all the superiors and teachers and elders of Krishna and Vrindavan are attracted to him just like the Braja Gopis. Guru Tulya. A little bit more correct. So the Guru Tulya, then first Guru Tulya. This Tulya means the balance, equality. So all these superiors are equal. In other words, the mothers, all the old Sri Gana, the old ladies, the mothers, married ladies in Vrindavan, they have unlimited love for Krishna. And all the elderly men and fathers, they have unlimited love. And all of Krishna's friends, it says, Dasya Sakya Adi. Dasya Sakya Adi Bhave. Purushadi. So the Guru Tulya Bhave, their bhav, their love and attraction for Krishna is all equal, unlimited. Equal means no end. They have infinite love for Krishna. Ananta Prem. His friends, his servants, his mothers, his fathers. So that's everyone. The gopis already mentioned it. Lord Chaitanya is commenting on all the human species, and all the human beings in Vrindavan, old and young, and men and women, and servants and friends, and mothers and lovers. Everyone's attracted to Krishna. And then the gopis are saying, we're attracted to all their ladies. And then they're saying, and also the cows, and the deer, and the birds, and the trees. Go Kalpadruma, go Kalpadruma, go